Alright, what's up YouTube? This is Jake here with Coin Addicts, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Bollinger Band indicator. The Bollinger Band indicator is a volatility indicator in the sense that it measures how erratic an asset is moving, and it gives you a pretty clear signal as to where the price is going to move next. So the band consists of three components: the upper band, the lower band, and the exponential moving average that sits in the middle of the indicator. See that right here, the EMA, that little red line. Make these a little bigger for you. We got that upper bound right there on top, lower bound on the bottom. Usually the input's at about 20. Yeah, 20 right here. Just keep that the same. Usually works really well. And simply put, when the price of an asset touches the upper band, it's generally considered overbought, meaning the price is bound to go back down to get inside of the band's area. So we can see that right over here. It touches the band, goes down a little bit. Inversely, when the price is touching the lower band, the price is considered oversold and is a good indication that the price is going to move up. So as it goes down, it touches the band right here, goes back up. Touches the band, goes back down. Gets a little closer, going up, it kind of stays within that channel right there. And as it gets a little more stable, the band's going to start shrinking and pinching. Right here it starts pinching. When it pinches really small, you got a higher chance of some spikes going on, like a pump or a dump going down. So right here it gets real thin and it goes straight down. See how much that goes down actually. Let's see here. Yeah, we got a good 3% decline right there. This was pretty recent actually, just about a week ago. And yeah, shoots straight down, gets outside of the band again. This is especially true when it goes outside the band in either direction. It just shows pretty extreme volatility and it's going to go back inside the band. So when it gets like that, the band's going to expand. The area, like the bubble in between the band, is going to expand. And then when it gets more stable, it's going to start pinching again. So even right here, it goes back up. It's kind of difficult when the band is so large to predict because it's just a little more volatile. So didn't quite smooth out yet, still went up. You got to use other indicators. It's not foolproof, like foolproof. It's not foolproof. This isn't like your one-stop shop for indicators. Like you gotta use some other indicators if you're trying to like base your trades on charts, on TA. And yeah, it goes out, starts getting a little slimmer, but not too slim. But right here, it peaks out again, goes down, touches the band, goes down again, comes up right here, goes over the band, goes straight back down like clockwork. So that's pretty much it. That sums up the basics of the indicator. This is a super easy to use, easy to understand with practice indicator. And yeah, that's just a few examples. Works on any time frame you're using. Let's go to that 1 hour. I'll skip back a little bit just to show you. Yeah, right here. Goes way outside, big jump down, shoots right back in. Starts getting a little more stable, so the band starts getting a little pinchier. Starts getting a little smaller. Not sure if pinchier is a word, but we're going to use that here. Goes down below, it goes right back up. Should be able to kind of grasp this by now. It's pretty simple. Starts going real stable for a little bit and just stays within that channel. Peaks out because as I said, once it starts pinching, you got a good chance of it going out one way or the other. So it goes up, goes back down, starts pinching again, goes straight up. Lots of volume down here too. So it goes straight up, outside the boundary, goes right back into it. So really easy to understand. You just got to practice with it a little bit, but it's one of the simplest indicators along with the RSI. That's kind of why I started out with these indicators, because they're so easy to grasp. Don't need to make some long tutorial on it because it just works. Like it's just basic. Like once you know it, you know it. So that's pretty much it. If you got any suggestions for future videos, drop them down in the comments below. You like something, you don't like something, hit me with a like or a dislike, I guess. I'd rather you not, but I like input. Leave a comment with what rather you leave a comment with what you don't like. But yeah, want to see something, let me know. Like the video, let me know. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll be making some more videos real soon. Follow my Telegram channel if you want some advice, some tips on analyzing, some calls and predictions. I've made some pretty accurate calls recently. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Follow me on Twitter if you want. You're into that. Trying to get a little more active on Twitter. Or I am active on Twitter, just not on my crypto account as much per se. But I'm trying to post some more links to videos, post some more analysis. I retweet some really good stuff by some top traders, some really good traders, way better than I am. So if you're into that, hit me with a follow. It's on my page. I'll leave a link in the description below. And yeah, happy trading. Go make some money. Thanks for watching.